G'day and welcome to the Munzee Tutorials for Beginners. I'm Craig, also known as Seemyshell, and on today's episode, we're going to discuss Clan Wars. Clan Wars are exciting for me because I enjoy doing things together as a group with people, but at the same time, it is a clan war. So it's your clan versus other clans, but not in a physical battle, just a battle for points. So don't worry too much. In this episode, we're going to discuss joining a clan. That's the most important, I dare say. Number two, we're going to discuss in terms of what levels you should be looking at for yourself. And number three, we're going to talk about scoring and achievements.
G'day, Future Craig here. I did some research. I was wrong in this part, so I've got to do the voiceover instead. You can join a clan at any point in time of that month, but however, you can only leave the clan after the game has finished.
Make sure you do some research first. You know what? If you want to start your own clan by yourself, go right ahead. You certainly can do that. But know this, you will be limited to what levels you can do if you do that. What I suggest is looking up on Facebook groups. There are Facebook groups out there called Clan Wars or Munzee Clan Wars, different Facebook groups themselves, which will allocate you different clan groups to get into. Depends on your skill level, depends on what you perceive the level in which you're going to achieve. For example, if I was very first starting out in Clan Wars, which I did back in the day, it was only 12 months ago now, just saying, like, it doesn't take long to actually get a hang of this whole Clan Wars thing, so don't let it overwhelm you. But 12 months ago, I started in a clan itself, and I was in a level 1 clan, the basic level clan, because I didn't know what I was doing at that particular time. The best thing about Clan Wars, though, is it gives you tasks to achieve singularly and also as a group. Now, the good part is it's the camaraderie. You learn, there's a personal message in the actual clan war itself where you can learn different things. You can ask different questions. For instance, I didn't have these videos. I didn't know what a bouncer was. I didn't know what a POB or MOB or the Skyland or that sort of stuff. And so I asked within my clan group personally, and they came back with so many different suggestions saying, oh, try this, try this, try this. And it helped me then improve my gameplay. That's the biggest benefit out of the clan itself. The downside to the clan is if you can't meet the expectations of that clan. In other words, if you've joined a level 5 or level 6 clan and you're a very beginner, you're never going to achieve that. And so the whole clan won't achieve that. So this is the thing, you must start. I personally would start at level 1 clan. You know, even open a clan up by yourself and just give it a go first, or look for these Facebook groups to actually join a clan in, and you can learn what to do. It gives you tasks. It gives you things to do every single day. As you can see right here on the screen, every single month the Clan Wars updates or changes the requirements. It changes the rewards. So before you join a clan, have a look at the requirements that are required for the individual and the group session itself as well, and think to yourself, can I achieve that in this entire month? Level 1, yeah, you can. Absolutely you can. Level 2, maybe. Level 3 even maybe. But start off, if you're starting, start at level 1 and move up the grades from there. Give you an example, I'm in a clan. Clans can hold up to 10 people. I've only got 7 in my clan, but we still get up to level 4 and sometimes level 5 together as a clan because we work together as a group. So for an example, one thing you might have to do is cap a particular item. Say for instance, a crossbow or Clan Munzee. So you have to cap a certain amount of Clan Munzee points through the month. If you're getting lower, you can turn around and say to your group, look, I'm getting low, I haven't got that many around me, and all of a sudden, they can then start publishing around you or deploying around you different types of Munzees that will help all of you get up those levels and get to the required amount. Participating in Clan Wars comes with its own rewards and benefits as well. And of course, those rewards vary depending on month to month. But however, in all cases, you get rewards to the point where you can put back into the game, get more points when you actually deploy the rewards that you've been given. Now that I hope you're familiar with Clan Wars, tell me in the comments below, are you in a clan? And if so, what is your clan name? I'd like to hear it. I'd like to see it. Clans make you work together as a team, and that's what I love about them as well. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, if you enjoy or get something out of these videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't get anything, give me a thumbs down. I don't mind either way. And in the next episode, we're going to talk about cards and temporary virtuals as well. This is Seemyshell. As always, Munzee on. I'm over and out.